Yeah, Mr. I will join you and watch a live video no. Amame. And Angelo Binim and Honorable Kennedy, a Japan Homes and Sema Air Cosona, Miss Me Person, a chairman, then. Also. Of course, I'll view it from a strictly cognitive point of view. So I will join you and watch a live video no. Amame. Issue no videos bebre appeam. But then, said I me canon no. Me deɛ say ye behwe na yesua some lessons via den afrim. These are always in omo ewo influence. There are people are omo ewo influence ewo Ghana ho. Nti omo ho asɛm ba efe say abetena ha. Na ya kyerɛkyerɛ mu na ya gina so apeke lessons ayɛ afrim. You know, immediately nipa benya asɛm a omo de bɛba the public domain no. It means that on person nipa eden etie no mo pass judgment. Enu nti na nipa mienu nya asɛm a ye wo court wo. If issues need be honor mo when they say it should take that legal dimension the courtroom mu no you expect that the judge will pass the judgment. But immediately mo de be the social media domain no. Say nipa binu say yen so be betena se ne ya kyerɛkyerɛ ya adwene e won nsɛm na ho. Enti Canada Japan no oko ne platforms no on the side of the story aba or the bar the same medium no na obi ni so akofa ho no so response aba enti now the judgment rests on us na ye wo no I have the following enti it's also my duty say be say ba mu a me so meba na wa be kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm mu no ye nyina ye nya ho understanding. Now usually na ye wo part bi say bibi say isi ebinum betumi go behind the scenes and as ebinum so wo it can happen say omo betumi abon asem ni mu enti they can bring audios and other things to justify. I am not in the position to do that. The embabe no ha ne say ensem na omo mienu dia beto abonten no it can happen say they are hidden niema still na enya ma abonten e bia later na sa niema ne beba me need sa niema no ha ensem na omo mienu dia beto abonten no na me begina so na me dia pass me judgment. And of course, you should expect some of I don't sound partial. Baby, I'm not currently done Mecca because it's about Ghana and it's about the betterment of the country. Now, how did this thing start? Obinim any Canada, Japan, and seminal a coronavirus ya unity and this money aba. Coronavirus, therefore, and this money aba. Canada, Japan call a platform so. Of course, or connect to or interview na or chere na adwene on social issues, political issues. Enti oko ne obviously lower the background. I don't mean near man or can say I went to us. Oko on a platform. Oko on a platform hono no chere na adwene on issues, social issues, political issues na or the bedukobi asem ye dey ebam. Now bedukobi asem no kra na enye eno nana presenter na ebusa no but o introduce us asem no wom. Eno introduce ye no otumi kire say Reverend bedukobi no enya platform bia opese okasa against Akufo-Addo. But then Akufo-Addo no enya ne colleague obetumi agina wa kasa anyhow. Akire ne sa okasa te say Akufo-Addo no ya kola bi no justify sa na no. Enti ano no kire say ono owo evidence na obe expose bedukobi no ye wo ho no oba back be kire say bedukobi no e de atwo pa eden aba ba news ne ba bontene news no mo kire say car ho nsensem bi as a taxi say so mo tua ho no Reverend bedukobi mo na anye den antua sa niema no enti to expose further no o kire say o be hu no ye den e pa atwo o mo kire ne say e ma ne mfa ne gya no nye den emeto abontene to ono so admit accept say once or my the honorable tenaba be panacho ne de obetwa asem no so ho there's a question mark there maybe we me submissions na mesa be fast asem we o so omo be panacho to omo be panacho no hu say no be bia near me kone de so omo de acho pa badia then on expose near further bia na the same interview na se no o address bedukobi de no e na coronavirus ya American edi obinim issue ebamu Now obi nim issue ni video bi me kura me come on share sa video no. Ni video bi ba system ni mu a no wo kire se enkrofo na mu o mo kire so wo no wanya oil a esa coronavirus no yare but enye no kure video no na ewa me kate pa bi na me post video ni bi no kire se sa video no a enkrofo kire se wanya coronavirus na no aduro no enye sa na ene tie. Eno na kene Japan chire ma o chese people like obi na mu nyina o system ni mu a ohwe issues ba say ye hwe ni yetumi resolve and as ye solve issue na obo so on be gina no the religious dimension o mo kan obi na nipa bebre ebre organ ho no enti o kan obi ni mu de na ba obi ni mu de na that was not the core of in seven and work no the core was on Berukobi but all your explanation no introduce obi ni mu de ne ba. Eno na obi nim so be responding where say or respect Canada Japan pa. But then respect no it doesn't mean so suro no. Me din ko na wura ba bi o. Or say respect no wo man no it doesn't mean say osuro no. Enti say Canada Japan no kotena ne platform so no kasa on according to some respect. E man money din en kasa mfa na won say de wo ye just akola keto bi no but onya akola sa ono so ewo as obi nim no wa bob bradro stage bi he also commands influence and following in the Canada Japan ka say so according to some respect eno na Canada Japan was ba back no be kire say in seven of ka fa Berukobi ho no Berukobi na yeden aba be pacho cognitive yi na me do be wura musa no I'm telling you say be bia no kore dan e betina ha. Once the issues are on social media, we will also listen to the issues and pass judgment per what is out there. Near my course behind the scenes, I don't know. Near info, news, ni audios, ni near Momodia Bab until I'm imagine so passing the judgment as a cognitive being. And the same platform and the honorable Canada Japan Kotanaho. Or coin watch say Berukobi na eden. Aman penifone na kasa apart also on CZ fire. Into also wati ase obe sizi fire ene wo kire se obi nim so e de na twa pa ye den aba tie nkomo ni yo obi nim si na twa pa aba but o si obi nim no aside that twa pa na o de aba no o san akọ ne platform ono o kasa no wo yi ayampia tie nkomo no o so akọ ne platform ono o kasa na behind the scenes na so obi nim person o throw some jabs bi but so obi nim ene ne junior pastors na kasa he's warning him. The better no ompe. But then also obi nim so the achop pie the buy on the surface but behind the scenes the junior pastors be no Canada Japan pen obi nim person see fire on your mom kasa. I don't know obi nim back. And obi nim be responding on so kire ne say bibia ni baabia obetumi dia ba abontene. And obia so ni ho no obi nim no ka chance on kopo no Canada acho no acho. Enti the Canada Japan person wo ye bia he is ready to face him. And then the baby ya duru abeduru yo and the problems ya baby e wo say na abeduru that is the root a coronavirus issue and the baby ya abeduru the obi nim chen say he can do whatever he wants to do. He is not afraid of him. So court no ne be kwa or ne be ko and obi nim kan sa no and I Canada Japan be drop a video way audio way my member audio way ma on tia de bi per se ya na analysis ni bi wa ya a bit factual na yetumi ye tie audio way ma me tie ni ye.
We pass the bill for cyber security. If you don't know the head, I'm telling you it's called a kibusia. Yeah. Some for no uti wo gum I will arrest all of them. Mark it on the wall.
Now the fight is on now.
Yeah, I'm going to arrest all of them.
Yeah.
Or directed to obi nim no.
Oh, who say? Obetimi a mama tie gum. What story for no? Asabe, watching woman dwene. Omo na omo ye down. Na make na Japan. Who class 6 in who so you smart check me Obinim. Obinim is going to go to jail.
For real.
I'll make sure he goes to jail.
Yeah.
Winim. Obinim. I am money laundering.
Now tio. Me pesi ya pick nyema we you ha 1-on-1. Me we say me ma response obi ni maye. Me so me gina ha pass conclusions bi. Number 1 no say wa ba o because obi nim dead him. obi nim de honorable Kenneth Japan say a chopa ni ba bia the opeso ye bia wonye enti say ya fe no ono the allegations near den eba allegations because ono na why an undercover or reveal side court nyam pass a judgment bia ho the number one also money laundering the entry no to the reasons for that.
Wow, who you starting the pictures, you know, the audio, no, video, no first. Great. Now, the way you make me, that's right. Yeah, but Ochina me call you sure with evidence. That's right. Ochina me call you. Obinim, you are watching me. You will see what will happen to you. What's your tough? Now, you have never fought a loss. Yes. Good. Obinim, who yeah, 419. Obinim say Oscar. Now, wetin I can make a Japan for me to from Papa, me nine kuro. What you have we now make a Japan? Who be me?
Okay, we nyina a side issues so tie niema we no side issues I me person me where the legalities ni niema e wo no money laundering na and what the bar no and na me ma pick because na ya dey basis of course also be jail no enti money laundering no na a major block as I say me be gina so am I build the case bi wa but ne papa anaya tukuro ni yini di of course only obi wa asem a o de jazz be ba mo eno no be hit di pa no but eno no any legal basis bia nti eno no de bia and discard eno na answer ti ento eno so
anya wa ubetumi ahame because unya sikafu obenim ebia me no ho kwan na ehye mabufu I know obenim woni ya wole Ghana for tie ni ye awrabi wa ANC more Fidelity Bank Asima make Fidelity Bank na mo watch Fidelity Bank yes
okay say money laundering no o chere Fidelity Bank and wa bo abaya bi din also ANC mall ho through abaya no obi nim the operations and they say what to me you see and this is evidence nyema bi say na me ya na me here it's not just about the talk but this is evidence what to me approve bank a chere atumi abo abaya bi o bank o binim ene ne ya deals e wo ho emfa emotions be video we anya sa bia na man kono the way I was pen wa ma evidence wa ha these are near me here they are building a case yem to aso
mama girl no so watch wow na montie ni ye obinim on tax or evade tax
good
how he does it and he said yeah obinim ama ne boss the message Christopher Isaac Opoku Isaac Yabua
okay
Ezekiel many of them na Ghana for Ghana Revenue Authority Yoko obenim si wo sika wanya no be everything offer free
good enti hanu o kira o say niema ni bi o say biebiem na etiase o kira o say obi nim no fine o ye money laundry e ho no ntua tax en wasumi asa kira o boys a o use wo mo e de yes a niema no a o ntua tax no wa kira o bank a o use nipa o bank o use nipa no niema we ye evidence a yimeme hia e de atena ha pass me judgment e won send we so ye nto aso
now you know how why 419 tomorrow I will report me akasa and na me di anim yeah asiu obi ni say o evade tax wow. Na oye 419 na oye money laundry when boys here mabubo omudini yeah and me ma track bibi am sure say wo mi nyasa cho wo make street smart and go man so come who's class 6 when you so get be what ANC more your friend Esther
okay
this like yes a Fidelity Bank on na me ne ko training exercise ni on tie ni
you see, one say was not sending signal ama Fidelity Bank owner no. Maybe we me conclusions now. Strictly psychological. Niema be saying of course, ka we what they call quarter. Ye mo be me metna me ka ho asem. But chose once I dey social domain. Oh, it means nipa ene say tie na nipa na say chiro mo adwene. E ya adwen kire na me kire no ha. Just say about in the open. Issue we no get evidence ne buy na from there now what they call quarter. and a judges no take omo decisions or what nipa ni right but aba social domain ti nipa be kire omo adwen nti na omo de aba abonte se yeso yentie no ti say or the Fidelity Bank wura na bam or say the man should be careful evidence we wo ho wa hu bank wura na amo na mane because of person nyina ye hu what is happening ti na de aba abonte no ti enkomo ni yo o kire se bank wura no but one na can at that level so on in the court training and also in the meeting or the about social media see you na yan TV yan to aso
wow you know why obini masaba is way e ko be account o wa no afro
money laundering no church the money
na esta no afa forms akọ obini mfie okwa na wa be account no na o the amount from documents man obi account no wa na sika abeto account obi ni ma transfer sika abeto account obi ni disika no to account mu a wa na esta number obi ni mhobiem na wa frɛ wa de sika to account mu no was sign na wa indoctrinate wo mu ase wo ya graduate kra na wa ya down
Unbelievable.
okay I think ahani okay what the evidence by my choice say evidence no na me so me gina so say me dey prove me point what show bibia wa ha kire ka me show video abon so kire bank no kire transactions akoso nyina you understand a what kire money laundering no ono dia what kire say obi nim no because on person be tua taxes ne niema no say bia sika no dey to bank na sika no wa chicheche sika ne mo bebre wo boys wo wa ye tuatua sika no eto mo account mu to ana wo kire say we kana of Fidelity hona obi nim ene ne yes ade no o wo wa obon say na wa frɛ o so sika bi aba na ode niema na ba fie say sign no wa sign you understand and that aspect no na no kire so o ye money laundering no but obi nim so the response be better ebeba yenti obi nim response or the ma sa allegation we my just way no wa prove ho evidence niema wa kire ho krata nyina a kire bank no a kire lady no ma yenhwe obi nim so response or the ebeba no me pese ye tietie niema we na
me see me new record e da me be bia say my money laundry
tie
me new record say my corruption me ni bi
obi nim so kire say asem na wa ka no record bia ni be bia ono na ye money laundry omo dia ni nyina niema we ma anko ba bi na me copy ke o eye abontin social media metusu ya no so betena ase on pese ye pass judgment because niema bi say no anka evidence wo me dia nka me hu ni say court ho no but once aba no on pese ye pass mo enti yeso ye me kire ma adwene wo ho ye nti response obi ni mo ma
me die me see asem we e ma wo mfi manum nsem mo tie no say can I apostle the major court I'm ready to face the law. I'm not afraid of any Japan. Japan means no, but I respect you. Means no, but me boo. So what I say, coronavirus issue and now kwa say.
And I'm a coronavirus in any way, you know.
Yes, will be tower, won't use what tower. So will be tower, will you many more use what tower. Ubi kawa oyi nani mo hu se portal coronavirus I go for the target me say me will be yedi matem na me make video ntam na me ka se me ni bi because yedi matem I make video awie se me ni bi the video ni wie se me ni bi ni 2 days na ka Japan yedi matem se obi ni usu obi minim se wan hwe me video na me ka se me ni bi na didi matem and the man reply. The one na to us of a permanent. So what I say yemi anu say yes ya do ya ho. Not yemi anu obi any you.
Ma me forward niema we kakra.
And na to us so ofi say on time dada. And the coronavirus so a who issue by e ma no a. O ka kira me say mutie me twi no. We wi me dia asem that we dia asem e ma no a. O ka kira me say mutie me twi no. We wi me dia asem that we dia asem ne da. Because Fidelity for any problem bia wa asem we go buy den e buy. me buy na me koshia e fan say me record it must ma me to aso na ma no say
me ba aha ne yan hwe ne 3 pictures more wa bo obi nim din e na wa bo Fidelity Bank edin e na wa bo lady bi a oye adwuma wo Fidelity ho wa ma areas miensa yan hwe ade
you we all night no ti I was here to talk machines ni be fast se mo be kaya you we all night na pabam me kwa abruchiri te me kwa abruchiri no me ko bu surprise no me bank akache me se me yes
me ba obi frame ma me ko back kakra me ba
aye dey e buy e fan say me record
aha no or person or explain because in Japan che say go use the boys ni bebre bia account enti saa sika na almost split wo mu a on tuatua ho tax niema to cover up for money laundering niema because enya on tumi fa sika kese ntu wa yi ba we explain ni na ya hwe ade bi wa
it must ma me to aso na ma no say you we all night no ti I was here to talk machines ni be fast se mo be kaya you we all night na pabam me kwa abruchiri te me kwa abruchiri no me ko bu surprise no eye machines no na me say dey e buy me buy na me ko hia me bank akache me say me yesika atoto machines bi no say be ko so be say na me man the price no abushia me the price ne man no a o ka kire me say butie me twi no me wi me the assembly to the assembly da because Fidelity for any problem bia wa assembly
to ha no obi ni mo so assign Fidelity for ti so omo ni problem wa assembly mu okay
me should be ni problem because yen be facing mra no second the person be ko court wa me lawyer your MPP ni akachia to ma obesuma na kola Ralph amanaba so ati ase yes o report ya ni abechi ni ya ko jelu it me fancy for jail na the poor can I jail will be my jail adie Nyankopon chiri adie Yesu Kristo wo chiri wala
ada ya spiritual mu no ba ya spiritual na me hu hia ya hwe no physical
said ye Ghana ya wo dia onye president I'm telling you onye president wo ye MP obi wo soro channel don't talk me we need to mean Jesus Christ Canada Paul wo da na wo sorry wo didi wo drive car and will be the driver who you nipa human being Solomon can say so nipa when you am to say
me forward na kakra me evidence na me person nya
over my dead body baby honorable attach will be a too attaching a cocoa from that metia so be pemne
what do say no court na Kennedy so den be kon why prepared ka ebi kura nka Kennedy pa nko amfani ma we ama social media nko muhia o court or direct wo kire so no lawyers attach nyamo ne niema eka the lawyers ne ho ti they also advise him ti bibi obeye bia anya so no so fiti ya no akwa akoye the way Kennedy ne so kire say ono no nim ne left and right the same way ono so lawyers here they advise no
eti minim court mra se me ba na fon wo Ghana mra mu bio e bi si bio da over my dead body baby honorable attach will be a too attach any MPP from penny for amutu me for NDC from penny for second is that amutu me for any SK Buafo MPP for any nothing bobo mudin Dr. Refidino on the phone show Dr. BB Refi what also MPP for the baby so what I say much me Ghana mbra because most mo fan me like I can be your fan open masem to much me mbra suddenly will be in band from Ghana
so I say so be a chain level on say ba kono no kasa na chese ne papa na se kuro ni ayi nti before mo the issue no be ba na obi aba any jabins ne niema kakra ni nyina ka game no
then ma ko gina court police station how ko buku mensa e be CPO a CES e kam ti se me nyansa fo ne nam se de dia meka no to mo kire ne mra cha se mo krega podi ko gina court me se meba I will face the law yenyi papers na cha se ma ye money laundry na guo me free Fidelity for say me here sika ko to
o kire mu aha na me hia
coders ni yema ni from editors, because editor, but the editor, 4 machines is when you jump from Yeshua or Shaman. Hey, ever judge as we said, that week na editor for editing program. Now, coupon charge here, you be a TV back with an Ice TV to make money off. Now, Ice TV machines new you to be fast. Near the year na OBTV no a buy because I know the quenchiri a satellite. Na kasu. Eti nyamia do mi fa mo chire buy no. E na me catch fidelity for no say me percent na me chire amount a me pay. Me do amount na chire. Na wo hu. E no so okay. Ghana mratio, almost Ghana mrachire say. Untimi nsandi sika $10,000. Eye $50,000.
Me pasa mo tie ne ma bi wa.
It is a me opinion. Me send 50,000 Ghana 500 million. Every me my council ma koto ade wa bruchira. The whole year no minti me send you. Me boa kana Japan. Be church me say bi ntisa. Because mo am penny for mo lawyer no attach nyam ene mo penny for the bank for the chire me sa. Bank for bi bank e wa Ghana bia no ntisa mo no chire mo chire me. Bank. Say example, some me must send 50,000 Ghana cedis. Some me ko pa de wo abrochiri no. Ghana mbra me kire say untimi send bio the whole year. It is say obe send am na bo sa say different obi account you. Kana Japan account na uhu ye no omo de abre wo. Confidentiality for ho na koje obi a statement na say me bibia famu da. I will face the law. I personally opinion, I will face the law. Meaning answer for the number from 2 me. Say they be a man go school be class 6, P6, year 6. It me fa me to me school so. Ti ma pay answer for I want me China omu 2 me for. Police from penifo e ba ma sore no omu 2 me for. Ti me some men from Ghana mreview e bi nsi bi. Ti bi mbibia justice. Ti na me say Tobu to Krame, Katobu to Amiji receipt to all. The corner restaurant and Paco did Amiji receipt. Menyama making in a movie receipt to all. Menya ready send me show. The person who show no court. The person who show no court. Nyama asama making a show receipt to court. We do Amsterdam airport, Air Holland. The friend be tax free for so the Bar Africa. Me J tax free ni na bibia. Ni na ho. Bibia ho. Because Europe to Europe, for me to Spain, you to make tax free in Spain. Because that's for Amsterdam. Because Europe, there was so much in Amsterdam. Now about Africa, Accra, Ghana. To be to Spain airport, you know, like a major of baby. May pass it through Holland, to make Holland. Because I want you Europe, because we know free Schengen country, we know free European country. It will be the other. But I'm catch them no. Say why na memfa can be from account. If it's a me obi ni die, maybe can be from account to 2 cameras. 2 cameras.
And that's what the reason why or you so and the other microphone pastors.
Me the camera ne be kire ma so ne fo ni nyina ewu Kumasi Accra Tamase makoto 2 cameras. E was say me sa koto 4 e ka wo na ye 6. As I'm to encoder I can say encoder at 10. When second the power be a TV between the make a camo. And I afraid be I don't so much make a can. Machines in the jar phone. And the fidelity for say, send him in brown. It may pay will be a trust and you first can from a council. Yet is a from a council. Near quarter to many people. It may put receipt according to fidelity mbra, bang mbra. Men kwaji receipt ya chirese medisi kane koto ade and I'm so maje receipt na wo ho and I'm de ko kire wo no I'm so fine and na pa ni yi mrantie say ye sika na from account sika de from account 100,000 Ghana cedis tien yo 100,000 Ghana cedis e be sika da dem 1 billion 100,000 Ghana cedis and de ko to machines no 100,000 Ghana cedis. As a manuani,
Okay, ti wa ahano you see anya two sides na wie. Kennedy no atumi Kennedy Japan atumi approve atre evidence niema. Wa kire say we no because of money laundering person we to taxes no aye wa fa nkrofo kan ho a bia na sofo nketo we ni nkrofo bia o use wo. But then ono so be the reason why I tie ye no. Enra anajo Fidelity Bank won say Kennedy Japan so at their Fidelity penifon say omo anya careful omo nyina. Enra anajo Fidelity Bank so the statement about onti omo so kire say omo records mo di omo nkai so omo ye transaction bi illegal. Tie nkomo ni yo. Omo so kire say omo record mo Fidelity Bank no omo kire say omo record mo no. Omo nye transaction illegal because omo so omo responded to in Zambia honorable there e kan about omo no. Omo mienu nyina agree on something. Honorable Kennedy Japan kire say obema na dam. And on so chene say just like the way Honorable Kennedy Japan believing in documents na kutana no. Sa no so kutana receipts on so go legal nkrofo almost advice no. Ebi wetma so on education no enya strong. But the same way on so nkrofo almost advice no. To on so jeni hodi say niema no so ye na enya illegal. And then where would be the best place? To say Honorable Kennedy Japan actually challenge or the court no. He is ready. He is ready. So be ban no e wo court or amo ma pet resolution or no mo hu di obedi for. And I also support that thing. Sa niema ni bi ni e pen wo Ghana. Sa niema ni bi ni e den e na ye pen wo Ghana. Mama say move on to the next allegation Honorable Kennedy Japan level against Obinim no. Mbesi etie 4 ni nyina wie na afa me de me submissions na madwen kire e wo issues no eba abonten. Ma ye tie the next one. Now if you want Lady B meba. Now if you want Lady B eso ebam issue bi ba mo che say gold bi kodi Obinim ho. Mo che say gold ni kodi ni ho no finally no return gold no. Or the fake gold and a man crofo no. And also Kennedy Japan na this asem no e ba abonten. The first one no allegation or level that of money laundering no. And was had fake gold no so a bas system no. And also yentie free no ne her response
Not to mankind in this country. I will make sure you are punished for that. I mean explain.
I can. My explanation to
a friend Adwa. Monkan number na mon frɛ no
ye be fra Adwa
no wo boase na me ka kire obi nim sɛ obi a mebɔ ni din a ne ho beto chima bia you pay for it
sure
because the bia wo trete no na aya meku na aya meyi o say obi a mebɔ ni din bia obi nim me de ne hye wo sa and don't even try it because I hear you man o ba try try and training na o bɔ asorfo o fa o ba wi a na wa jano na o move to ne sister Upa try.
Very dirty.
And then we hear Obaba voice. Upa try. If we are not bought in someone echoes. We a useless pastor. It's a shame. Say it's me cornerstone. Mama make us something. 2015. A way I'm
Tio or church them gold.
Anna or see or ya beer bar. Ewo Obuasi. Anna Obi. Ebejani bag see ho. Inti ni pan refi no ko into on the ofa kofi.
That's right.
Ti ade chi kakra no obi bɔ no pum. Oba no so. Oja ne bag ni ayi ho. No no fa ne mu odu no wa hwɛ.
Oh, okay.
Enjoy no so bag ni. To the bag ni ma no no. Ana akwa no eda na se no se gi. Papa ya waye bu. Enne nkemewu bi hu ade ame.
What you nti obi na ache maame no gold because of papaya maame na ye dipa no. Ti waje gold. This was 2015 no. Waje gold no.
Man one gold bar. For the man ne mani ne chesa mintiasie. Na wapaja gold no dia koma obi ni oba no maame ene ne bema bako ene di gold koma obi nim se omompa ye musuma ene obi nim gi gold 5 years obi nim edi ko first place e wokoton okoba according to ono obi nim no o se enye gold osa bi ko another place se okoton obi nim no wo sofo montie wo sofo a wo so won wo sika a obetimi Africa na Japan montie ni suban a ehye kokuom enti obi nim ekọ papa baako ye bo video na wa beti ni din ono obi nim bebondin ewurazo bebondin odi ko ro se na nipa edos nti obi nim dakem wankobi eno nkoba asi obi nim boys na ono ma hyehyɛ hono se omo kwae no second person is a gold na bi nim girl no so say gold no papa no me kwae se ono anko de ontumi nto because gold no so nti this wo mtwetwam now questions are me bisa ansa na warane ade mu ntie nie nsema meka obi nim se gold enye gold adentina okipu gold no for 5 years obi nim se onfa gold no ma no okoye spirit ama gold no a enye gold na dan gold enti girl no ni ni serious no debia no won ko ba fode wo ho se gold no ebe ye gold wo se spirit ye won ebe firim ana was spirit nim enti spirit wo bom pa ya ma spirit just say mom ko ba fare o gold no wo yes yes e wona sorry ho
you see ahano wo maame na obi acha na de odi akoma obi nim etio it means that maame no I presume be spiritual wo no because the will be my gold now so the commercial for it means that you are expecting spiritual baby say gold no there's something spiritual about it and explanation so e bam wo ha no so amade coin obi nim say gold enye gold e ho so ye ho niema bi na yi ba maame de kono or the coin with a spiritual intention no o de nti ade bi
na munga obi nim the way a obokro no any the way a oyusu enipa maame no ni nua no asebe ma ne di gold no ko ma no obi nim outsmart them outwitted them kodina asori them aka kire wo mu se maame no oba mena nyeska na say ya ti so odina tinyi a o man 50,000 wow sometime no ke say nyana waji wo mu gold no ato me wo pictures no obi nim ejina sorry them wa gold enti otumi kasam shi wano no way saying
That's right.
to assist only near me ma 50,000 or sign check 50,000 and the mama
Great.
or sign or say why endorse actually ki mama no kwaye no wow trick no ye utumi say why you 419
Kasa.
fake ena or return check or the bana obi nim ji no titi
Oh, let us saw your demonstration was so okay.
Yes.
Eddie ye bibi momu.
Yes.
Yeah, we use camera mama no.
we are na ono obi nim di gold no ama mi na kasa bi abra no muntie o wodi gold no koko gina asori dem eyi so wan kasa obema ma mi na nyeska
Oh, wow.
efe no omu ama bo mu pusa but minim we nyina so no they kept quiet
Oma dream wo ha.
enti adi mfie num onfani gold no ma na obi ahinche oba no se obi ni makoton gold no na time a oka so akoton gold nkofo no a omo be hinche oba no mo betie obi ni voice a oka se na asam no waka kire obi ana na mfi se wo se ebeka ye ne yenu ntam na waka kire root na root afrefremi na ono dia oti asem no a enipa du ene beti ebekwachi obeka kire gina obeka wo de ni nyina mbeti
see one the gold aspect no but then you see the way honorable Kenneth Japan so to me any informations never within that short frame no and also ya there and also a bro adwene ne entiase so me drew me submissions and so me kasa for that area ho the understanding a woman is gold na buy no e de ko obi nim ho no so okohwe obi nim nya bibi mfa ho because obi na de gold na che no okope bambo gold no aso obi nim je gold no Kenneth Japan be so o chese pe evidence ni e me wo no aso obi nim ye tricks bi so be den say obe keep gold no finally no obi nim no ko ye den e ko ma me no bibi say ojo gold but gold no dem mo back no now okohwe a fake gold no dey den ena or dem mo back no man person ye tie response obi nim a man was asem we ho maybe just a second me person me tie response a obi nim man was asem we ho maybe tie
ewo me ho na makoton na me di fake one mana me di fake one amana unke say Jesus Christ on time the chi one say we da a chire mu teachings ma chire mu yakopon akwan injiro bi ni fans mu fa sa say me du team se gold ni wo me ho na makoton anasa me nton e gold ni wo me ho na me de fufuro bi akoma no fake one bi akoma no a mu fa say mu team say Jesus Christ of Nazareth aye nyina papa na yidi na chi no onta mi obi ni masem we chi da cause empire wo say umbedi asem a eya asem ni omo wo say Jesus nyankopon nye nipa ni amane bride enye won sem a obeka na obeka wachi wo hwa asem no de bia no kore ne da no no de ato ti mon kan hu say gold ni wo me ho ena mi ankasa no makoton anasa me de ato ba bi na ko fa fake one amana mon kan hu say Jesus Christ ore mi nyankopon no mon ta ma chiga but in shranka wadi Yesu a owu sorry ji ye nyina nkwane ni nyankopon chasefo a woti esoro ho a obo nipa ba wiase se good no de bre me no eno ana me de ma wo no iti e ho ne yedi nkuni mawi me pese me chichi mu bi
good well cognitive one explanation na kene Japan ma ni nyina no obi nim ama a very smart and strategic answer one say fidelity there no kene Japan the evidence ni ema buy papers so ni ema ema obi nim no so ekirechire mu ekire say he is ready to face him in court so the court one say the gold issue no or answer them more or say gold no more the brand no the same gold no the ma as to whether it is original or fake no he didn't comment on that but the other say nyankopon ene betuma determine say a fake and as original gold no the more why has he taken that spiritual position? It is a very strategic answer no man. Why has he taken the spiritual position? Because in the first place no once I'm a the gold ne ko obi nim ho no obi nim so no onya goldsmith onya obi nim am check gold no say gold the original and I say onya original. He took it there because of a spiritual appeal be a tired no which is say or no nim say obi nim no e that spiritual integrity na hwemu mame. You understand? To one go say onya sa gidie no wo me mu a de baaye no the same gidie a onya wo mu a de breme no ho gidie na me so me de wa de den amount just whether it is the same gold and I say the same gold that gidie na onya baaye no me nyankopon na me so no ti nyame ne bet ma determine me ma de nipa be ka me distract me. You see the strategic response now or the ama assembly to one wasting the time am chire mu say audios and I say a cognitive niema na ye put in place and lessons ma obi o wa abontini lessons ma obi o wa abontini me ye me submissions na me de nyina be wura it is a very big lesson obi ama o gold wa kukuru gold no e dia akoma sofo tio obi ama o gold wa kukuru gold no e dia akoma sofo na oje ya we are not so running no almost 5 years running by no buy our mechire mo no wa mechire because I'm sure say either or also or a video no or say no per the reason na ma me dey buy and let me also give this explanation to the spiritual reason now the brain and also sure say the same spiritual reason now the brain the same spiritual direction also nya or the word ya ma back me ayen to aso ne enko the third case no so now the third allegation no and it say obi nim video bi e wo system ni mu a na o ede na obo akwala bi abaya bi asum na video bi wo system ni mu a na obo abaya bi asum eno na Canada Japan so the side and buy say sa practices na course wa sorry ho nyina illegal. You don't have any right say or you be akoshe wa sorry there na wo boni pa no so me video a nyina ye hu video no system nim obi nim ma ho response ye nti ade bi
my pressure no go for my pressure no go pass pressure wa high e mo yam hihye why Yesu wa din kunim teno be ya no wi yan next akola bi issue bi bae ma ni bi de ne baby brain wa sorry na mo be kaya IGWC International Gospel Church your children's time na ya na awofo ni bi won ma wode ne mani bi brewa ono watimi ka kire asofo na eka me ho hia ne se bi be na so wode tiki se mo bono bebre won se tiki se mo
tiem komoni yo. You see this particular side no maybe what problems bebre e wo answers na obi ni mai on this particular video no de obo akola na e ho asem kene Japan asan akofa ba o ma response no me wo issues bebre wo response na o mai no me betena ha de we ade na tie na esemeka o se ya de akola na brain no ya abufo ni bitumi kase bo akola no o de abra wo sofo na awofo na direct wo se wo sofo no ya bo akola no yen to aso be
awofo ni bebre won se tiki se mo bo akola na ansa no aka na pre na so woden awofo ni bebre ba utimi ka to se tiki se mo bo no ansa na me ba no waka no pre eti akola bi ebe TV show me ka sa akola bi ba IGWC Kumasi branch ase mo esi tema esi Accra esi Kumasi branch because me ho se Canada Japan ayi wo ni TV nation me pese me should be ma me di ka be ka kire yese me ba no so wode wo ye me masem ti yen tia akola na nkasa enye easy in fact me kind of for asema de si asem so.
You see, some of these things are very revealing. One say na omo ye eba TV so na ehwe a e bi omo yo healing na so omo fro bi begina animu. The way omo pose questions no ho. Sometimes oba dream say bi omo ni nipa ni nya encounter da. Tie nkomo ni yo. One say ehwe no screens no so a na e fro bi begina animu. The way omo say pose question. Ya na sometimes oba dream say omni ni pani nya encounter da me ni akola na lady ni video wa ha ka me boss a video ni kire but explanation obi ni mo mana e kire say before omodi lady ni be ni mo kra no nkomo akoso wa kire no ne a girl na wo adi nkomo ba over video na the way an obi ni mo say busa abaya na oba doing say bia on the surface na obusa no e ho na ase oni omunya encounter da. Into until say this issue by explanation bana will always be in the blind. Me tie we me presume say no there seems say there are always a lot of things behind the scenes I am fire ninya den ehun. Eno ti na niema we bi say pop up o ye smart I say also what me ten and na wo hwe niema we bia na otumi adjust to positions bi. Yen tie na explanation.
It me start say me tia akola no e ma mo hu bi. And yes, I may bark on a set piano. Because my many car catcher and say, young Tia Colano, you have to me so. Just a may born on a tiano, and make us a media river to me, the area mamma, the area mamma, the area two sources. And so you're poor and a plan of a canny na.
Tio. Oh, yes, I made a river to so me or just a mamma. And a nene can't sign him as on for whom to me so. Tinina no or yeno. I will be a heavy in the Obia, sorry, then while the audience said, spiritual you know man nyina na o chese behind the scenes no yenti na o sheda na memfa yare ntono so memfa yenti
akire me because of you a me de tone so no se me de asma ma me de yare to so me you say wo me ti ye point akran be kan nyina akire me e ma it two last akono no efini mu for me masem no bujae children's time no ye bie kono twetwe ntokwa enyama bebre.
Yeah, me internet no jam up kakra ento aso.
So what you say? Now the make a decision say akola we na ebe TV so no enye this year na last year o dey be ache. E more than 7 years as 6-7 years kra
entity how or my justifications be wa. Maybe I say assembly see I made see behind the scenes, I don't have that time. The more amode bano and yes we be gina mo ha church. Was see a scene 7 years ago. Enti hano cognitively no person what chira was or no adjusting the positions. Or a nipa or no so sua. Smartness will be biamu. Smartness will be or chira say or no at the end scene 7 years into 7 years and if e be ana niema bi or fall short, you should expect say 7 years in a day was using the lessons baby as they say he's correcting a lot of things. Yenti
Oh yes, more than 7 years asem. Yenti make us more than 7 years no. Asem will be about pen. Emma metian kolebi ewo Accra branch. Near me train bet. Etia me maybe an etiminchen ewo Accra branch. Near me tia me maybe ewo Accra branch. Nkolega na etiminchen near me yi bet bomo. Emma wo asem ko pie. Dobsu police station in Yamanyama ekopie judge ni. Emma judge ma me warn him mutie masim ni. Judge emma me warn my lord that me tennis on my sorry. According to Ghana law, Mbrama me warning say, I mean yes ni bio. To me cash yesu ni say free sad and be permanent, me yes ni bio. Yes ni bio. To video na Mr. Kennedy Japan.
You see, say omo ntokwa na ekoso between omo mienu no. So obia ekire ni authority wa ha. In the second place, yen no mo yede omo ya amaye. Kennedy Japan is trying to prove a point say Zankrofo we no mo nyina no omo ye fake and omo system ni mu. Omo efu any sika ombenya nti na omo. Yes, that is the whole point that honorable Kennedy Japan person proving. And I say no we no a bad aspect on no who so Kennedy Japan person or for legal grounds, but then I also have holding there or chance say court. A bad gold in the day no or chance or no one person my explanations be nyame ne be decided. And this akolawe aspect no. Now you see your money be over. Kennedy Japan no in a position or pese or chire ni passe be more code biano mo anye careful you end up misleading yourself. And this is when I want to do this on also about justify niema to also court for sympathy. I don't know to also court for sympathy because I know when a major blow. But one of the way I watch that they make court me nipa. They make court and say me ko lessons bebre tie free o me nya biem. Trying to prove a point to you say also ban you should rest assured say also adjusting the positions near man and it is in the interest of the members on mislead your mother and treatment chino no don't say he's trying to justify because himself be a Kennedy Japan this idea when you go so when you're careful I bet ma to nipa bebre trim na den akọ bu obi wa sorry dem niema etia
chire mo say mabuba akore bi no esi wo Kumasi branch esi ya gadada nsa na ni wa na ye de me call no eba na je na mo ji di ni say mo video no ubetima ko pray back no okore mo share video no ubetima ko pray back ubo say sit on a shame na cross ba brooch meaning say me ka ya see video brooch as brooch ne cross bi bo me suit ni sa de me jai sa dress and me jai more than 4 5 years for ache me jai
still now almost I make sure say the interest in all that all my explanations say what was what jai or person what chose that there was a lifestyle bia those days or taking Niema for granted to be able to protect the members very well say also adjusting in Niema because himself baby Kennedy Japan say he shifting Kennedy Japan you see me ba ho my ntietie we ni wie na me mre the nature of nkofo bi te say Kennedy Japan say on my young twaso
and here number 1 number 2 Kumasi asole steps no Kumasi asole steps no so what as Kumasi asole steps no ye Can Japan ye steps no. Never check it from 5 years, 6 years, we won't say a different. That's a son, a solid dino, that's a son, solid dino. And then I'm going to say, Sa video, a check. We won't say a check. Now, what check on the team, now someone make an e. What's a video, not check? What's the steps, no? Can I Japan show you a so demo? A old video. So what I say, and then number 2. Ajam Yamau. We are share. Come a year when interview now, yet I share steps along as a platform and I'm preaching with Shasho. What's a curtains? What's a curtains? Nana Eguho. What's a curtains? Nana Eguho. What's a name curtains? One Bekumasa son, ye jack curtains you should a ne. Says you should take a young paper. Another kaya curtains in you would want to share as a TV Nasi one. After curtains, and almost I say, yes, you picture be a night disease, commercial solo. Yes, you picture be a be a near disease one. Almost I say, this is one. And I don't say, a old video. Me Mugan and Brasso, chap. The Democrat contract is my mini view.
You see, then I met you because can a Japan of a treasure. Or more the omo pen or more they think they are above the law. A near my okay can it be Tony Patrim, a bet me at Tony members ni trim. This is only due to me say, or bet me a babe prove be actual members, and I say no. The man ne can or baby I'm one, be a those days in the fine, but I admit it, they say my a changed person, mean call those mistakes in movie MT. Oh, yeah.
It will be the Baba. Look, I said, Momo Colano, Munyan say. Answer no was a son, no matter the baby. Ya tell me what court say, and bring you quite some saka on a timid beauty mammy. The Busa Obano or Canu crew, one Canu crew, the Bebon Pieman. Spirit in the qua, fine uncle on one assay. General Banancasa. See a better was a bunny beauty, a beans because be a no broom, but I should mean yes, I didn't view. It is evidence number 4, Miss Ademon. Come a year for an interview, more Becumasia Soleno. Would you to a knee? Come and me say an planning interview first, no. Remember saying after who won't say a baby a member netino, baby a member no more to myself, baby a member netino. Who wants ye a quambia to a yes steps. Ye quambia to a yes steps. Na your day, sir, boga proof pipe be at to home for shiny one be at to home. Tutu initial member side on ye cap a dog. And when you say, a quaint be at to what your parents or Nipa Faho, and I say, yes, will be basso to Nifa Hoba. To member on the side on it be dark, engineer no, lemo, but then I will bar. You are close when you know every years.
You see the logic, my back pause video, you know, the logic behind Niema or get canning in and say, once I may start on which I was saying, or I said, video no. Niema na esi ni nyina ya kola ne maame di kan be ka che ne se ye niema we mame en o buy in the open be yes ade no but then no na me no wa ye hwa ade no ayo bia o TV a the TV so no be dwen se bia e ho na esi but na o ma discuss niema wa akire enti se blame bi ba e ono na no o take blame no but behind the scenes ye na bia ya kola no e parents bi na direct no but mramu no ye ko hwa ono na o acting o yes ade no ne be take blame ba no wonim enti o call to mo direct no say enye ni sei enye sei no ene o say dey why dey wa jai sa niema no the rationale behind it say so person o che say what change no und me ma ene be discuss niema biem e bia ne be hye niema ho no wa kire ne say Ebia, obey ya, and commission yenisia na say this is what Nina and all your explanation is that is what he's trying to put out there. Because the message now can Japan to person convey no. And in this moment, no, I said yes about be honest, I bet me I got ton members need trim. Now when you know airban. One second Japan the bar, no I bet justify. Can Japan the bar, no I bet justify. Can Japan the bar, no I bet justify. Say can Japan as ha throw back could be a bamubium. And the aim is to let the members know say Nipana Mudinechino. Or yet Yamesumuni and as or yet suffer said the moon. To a video be a neso can Japan man as a surface or system.
for comments on okay this maybe this let me explain something also for bodyguard
Mama me just a second on that man try some boss our video na mama video be about sa abaya we Pamela sa Pamela watara ya no for bebrebe sa abaya na okaya emu baby Pamela no call Kennedy Japan asore ho e ma yo hwe se ayi no kra be ba ma me hwe se beti manya video no faster mawa okaya Pamela watara ya video bi ba ya o dwane to Kennedy ayi obinim se okwa kwere okọ asore ho ma obinim frɛ no begina animu nsem bebre ni ayi ene video bi aba Kennedy Japan na asa de sa video na ere aba beto system ni mu na mpese ye tie sa video no kakra audio bi a mpese me bo na ye asa na me wie no na afa me maba me submissions no emu niema we na si a ka cha o se de aim na si e besua niema bebre so ere eso afrimu ti ye de wom omo de ba once omo no ye public figures no Bibisa and see there is no way I also bet me either as should be a film. But video no I mean track video anymore. I thought set me pick video to baby but any tea.
Check 1,001 information.
Yeah.
Pamela. I want to diamond. I know everything.
What then was it? What talk a diamond Pamela Watara. But then you see when you see the linkage, you want to say maybe a chum that Pamela no call a sort of tea idea.
And then Garicura, I know. Also, you're tough. Now, best to put the naked into where you messages are almost sent and scare me. Only now, so match you. Oh, be already or show me up. So, my book in Japan. Oh, man.
What the Kennedy no say say was the microphobia aba system no so mebo ne niema ni nyina wa track your mo down ne ye continue.
Me ready sir. The see 3 days in now you because I didn't see weekend na person Monday back them. Enema yeah program no was here. I got a call from Binyonko America. And all catch me say obinim pese obepamcho obekotodwe kura obebu apacho
tio wasan this is the second time I want to introduce a chop and be more or yes initially no time I was be do ko be patch no say obinim so a chop papa e na obinim be ka chen so no be pa na cho en na de we nyina e bo mo exposing yema obinim so e justify but my main shift ko na afa me memra me ame ayi ma kira o say mesra wa me pese obi the emotions be bom you see nyema bi say esia once omo dey about public domain mu duty see so abetena ha ne yeso ya church mu because you on call for follow it once you follow it so no duty see abetena ne ya church am so mate ase ma ho say de nyema ye eko eba asore no mo ye your system ni mo Ghana hona Ghana is a democratic country na dawsa na democratic country ya wanyema bi wo a aban no entumi nya hwe emfa ho se obi sore na oyeso beti asore a e wo Ghana ho a aban no ntumi nka se nyame ben ne frɛ wo nti enkoti asore ye nya ne sa once anipa ne na esie so say he is fit spiritually in all angles of what in asore no or what the legal right to Ghana also bet my day or bet me ati asore no nipa ono de ne ho ebe kwa asore ho no e ko pe bibie ho no e one no responsibility say all kono or bet my differentiate between say asore we no ebe boa me niema e koso ho e ye ma me anaasɛ nneɛma ɛkɔ so hɔ no ɛnyɛ ma me nti megyae akɔ asɔre wei anaasɛ menkɔ asɔre no ɛyɛ nipa no ɔno wɔwɔ kuro no mu a ɔtake decision ɛyɛ nipa no responsibility. Aban ntumi nka nkyɛ wɔ sɛ ebia kɔ press bi kɔ ha anaasɛ kɔ one man church wei no. Ɛna sɛ meyɛ sɔfo na mesi so meyi me ti na mekɔfa oil bi gotoa bi mu ɛba na mekyerɛ sɛ oil no etumi sa yare bi a aban entumi emma asɔre hɔ da emeka nkyɛ nipa ne sɛ die nti na wɔkyerɛ sɛ oil no etumi sa yare no ensi saa organ no. So obi nom oil no na ebia nipa no ewu na ɔkɔ postmortem anaasɛ bibi no ɔmo sɛ oil bi na kun na ɛhɔ na ebia ebe take legal ground. Ɛhɔ de nipa na numa wu ɔmo beduma sɛ bia oil na nipa no ton na poison. And no, it's not just the church. Even when Namu Krom says, be a water idea near so we will to be a poison. I buy a bit of bum about you because I poison. But once I be a fast and why I didn't know it behind it. Just oil can be being any punish good to them. No, the continent sorry them no as or Tom and Nipa. No, yes, or turn 10 million. Because of near or whom so far any regulations be a dash or so. The Nipa no is I don't know Tom. I buying to me my sort of. Unless every nipa na twema no de nam fie to fie force so say brasoro, that is where the government can come in. They may tell say oh nipa no human being na wo country ni mo no. Niema ne bebre wo ho the decision rests on you. And your freedoms bebre, your freedom of movement, association, worship ni niema right ni bebre the amount. Now, at the honorable Kennedy Japan no ya na time be o preaching our system ni mo. Ono no kyerɛ sɛ asɔfo no bebre ɔmo system ni mu ɔmo yusu nyansa kwa bi so yɛ den ɛbɔ nipa kro no the message aya no or preach about oni asɔfo no or say asɔfo no fa na ɔmo system ni mu ɔmo de ɔmo adwene ɛyɛ den ɛbɔ nipa kro no o starting ni bedu kobi die no na bedu kobi die na ɔbɛka ho asɛm no ɔbɛka because of feelese bedu kobi no kogina na asɔre dem ho a opportunity bi obenya bia obese okasa tia na nado tie nkomo ni yo opportunity bi obenya bia obese okasa tia na nado enunti na ono so eba the radio station and the television station a obese o kire bedu kobi say ade na wo ye no enye right not in the name so onya asɔre dem to kotena na odidi atem na saa de na wo ye no ono so evidence against Bedu Kobi ewo boni bi a Bedu Kobi yeden AD Ghana wono eye ade a we regard it as a criminal activity or the car bakuro ni mu niema ontua ho tax ankase Bedu Kobi kasa tia na ado nko a kene Japan to me nya so de no court never the only thing about my honest on so be call FM station on so ha kasa tia Bedu Kobi akodi na tem ne niema but untumi nkase ordinary court. You can only come in say ordinary court when you have evidence why baby are illegal. And to prove evidence why baby are illegal. But then the question I am busa kene Japan is say nipa ne deo ansa na wa act. A question mabusa ne bebre time on ya nas issue ne ba mbetena ye live videos bebre fa saade no so bi di bone a ese nipa ne be there wana se nipa ne ye bibi tia wansa na wa act ya na oh yes sir you are not helping Ghana na down he obi ni mu die ise no obi ni mu ko ka bibi na obi ni muka bibi about Ebola ni ayi no wo kasa no eno kra na the concentration ni obi dim die no so eno so obi ni mu nyina omo mre be so ne ma niema ti obi ni mu bae obi ni mbere bate no obere bate ni nti ena oye se obi ni ayeden abede no nti ono no di bibi about obi ni beto abontene but then the question I me ya busa no one say say ye twen manipa ne be there wansa na what take action. Honorable Kennedy Japan mo type no. Don't play with them. Tien common meeting yo. Don't play with them. or your information, your kasa information, yeah, maybe tena kasa asem, or information. How he gets the information, I don't know. But yeah, no, but now kasa make yeah, nema me debe ban ye. Ni now he has the information. Or information, or never be gather intelligence, man, or informations be brave. But the approach, no, the information, ne ban. And I mean, Busa say, is it always in the interest of the country, na friend is a Ghana? Me na me a fan. The same way I may support Anas and Sana na me support no. But Anas and seven buy no. You see, o painti Anas picture be along the line. Me tena na me dweno na so. Honorable near my away. Is it in the interest of Ghana? Because nyan touching issues in this scene, or by there Anas say Anas show video now, or also be show who watches the watchman. No. Ye pesi nya omo ye corrupt. Na emra to me eni omo ye den edi. Say the be ma boa Ghana ama ye duru be ye pesi ye duru. In this Anas na yes one wako hu obi na nipa ye corrupt. Now so evidence against Anas. Eni say wo ko there Anas say ono na de na wako hu e corrupt. No keep nya say wo so de na ho asem beba. Oh yes sir, you are rather promoting corruption. It shouldn't take somebody to be clean to spot somebody who is corrupt. You see, Eba the other side now, he's doing very good. Me minimum crofo be brawa buan crofo na eba school money nonsense or share sanitizers and niema. It is very good. It is very good. Or evidence ni now. But the approach and how the way I will use evidence. One say Anka bedu kobi anko pachowa. Ebi ansem bebre wo ho. Ebi ansem bebre wo ho. Ba cho pa no coin. It says bedu kobi arrested. Niema we nyina esi no eye bedu kobi ho nkomo na de we nyina ba. Obi ni woni de no no onyo na no ye de focus. Obi nim de o mu di nkomo na ne ho asem ba mu se be o. Ono so ko gina ba bi se corona no wa no duro we no mu nyina. Ti obi nimu de ne na enye obi nim na na the focus of discussion. The focus of discussion na bedu kobi. But bedu kobi no fast I watch of a patch on. Say ebia ono details in em wa ba bedu kobi nyina say ni nyina nka dem. And it means that bedu kobi say wo ye bibi na illegal, he can still be doing it. He can still be doing it. But na me busa say me starting my chere wade say Christianity na da hosa. And our religion na da hosa. Nipa bet me hide behind religion na any ma bebre. But who need evidence are buying to me mom. Yeah, obi to me sorry. No, say anti abayin hu dia so foni bi ya na abayin hu dia so foni bi ya. Abayin be so won sase kwa soro. Until so abanya evidence be akwa asoro nipa ne de sekan ato minimum. Anasa abanya evidence mo kwa asoro no nipa no but okwa asoro na sofo no ebia wono abegina onim no say be pledge 100 million. Na ho be to na o discan ko to bo ni mu a. Honhum asem aban no ntumi ma ho da ms bia adentina o discan abra anya nipa na am twese kan ansi so. But asofo fo no bebre na kululu behind the scenes. And it takes people like Kennedy Japan mo no betumi ahu saa niema. And do saa de na to help Ghana no. Eno be bo nipa bebre omo wa asore wa omo nim de ekoso no. Na odi ade na eden afamra kwan so na aboa ye nyina. Time bia ya Honorable Kennedy Japan ba FM so a nipa we ne ho nyema bia me wo no se wo dare me a nyema na ya wo information wo ya no sa nyema na o kan nyina nya grow, he has the information but on nipa na na wo na wa fa ade na ma nti na wo bo na aze de be no saa suban no sa makro no obia besuro na kuro mu so de obia besuro you might also be going wrong yourself, but obia doing control because obia information wo. Enti bibi kura na wo ya obi anya perfect bibi na wo ya bia nke so be correct wa ye obi asuro because be na no say sia o de ne ho asem beba ti na afi ama obi abe siko fans room ti obetimi aka to what stadia you see within the NBB party ni mo good news e niam bebre to me koswa o to me ba na abe se mo ya nsem ameka no. Enti eske obia di ope obetuma betena se aka ebia nka bibi kura wa ise mpanifo friend ne ka nobody can move forward because what attempt ya won sema I go on. Obi ni no atena se eno no so calculating in front and back no say no me me movements mu me record no kura me dey ba no manyinya issues bebre along the line. Into what new na papa we bet me dia ba abantene. Ti enkomo na me di ni yo. Ono watena se. En wa say me track record na me dey ba no. Nima bebre na free mu aba. Die na nipa kan fa me me obofo mo ye nyina. But still na soro time be ho boma. Into this man no person ono na kamesha ha. Me means ni me niam ma fam me matumi agrand ma sorry abeduru be bia eduru no enye wono ne play role or person wono shut me down. What new can he bring? Because no damage bia we beba bia say waye yi na aba system ni mu onwa de no enti me kami menya ona okere Japan me menya anka this issue of say bia social media na ade na ba no abeka na nipa no so aye yi no abeka na nipa no so aye yi no sheda mwa because say me bet na be live video obi so abe chirem abe live video na ama nipa adwene ma ye ne he abrai or more serious issues or I say then you attend to. And the ones are evidence in what I convincing. Of course, so proud also an MP who are buying. You just take it to court. You take it to court. Oko court, ya pass a judgment away. What din kunim na afi wa ba abese obi nim na no ye say yi no. Me de na court. Me de na court no. Ye duru wono wontumi ye busa na sama na no se yi ye busa na sama na no se yi at that stage no obi nim entimi ma bonten kura me ka bi won't me ma bonten because court ya pass judgment de ben bi na baba bonten abaye but we no say wa ye obi nim ba be throw back obi ni ba be throw back obi na afa ye koya na say ye bae no ente ese ya na other pastors so omo e won chen no ebia pastors na hu say kene Japan ni mo wo ti wo so ko bo ni din ya hu say o secret na say be pa acho e ni e die say ni e di bone na ya na be pa acho ni enam any funny deep money na no one so aba na be pa acho so senior man we dey ya na you but them an nko ye MP abontene because we dey ni monti yesre wa ye move forward because we be gina wa we ya na be so kire say low the corrupt yi ni dey people like you no we are clean and don't entertain is adie no and you shouldn't take somebody to come and apologize near you. Say anase die ya honorable yes over expose ya anase near you. One say ayanko si baby o. Say anase no has been discredited in a way. Say anase say first not the video bar the way anase de na ade ba ni pa rush near you. Say me nyini say anase de ade ba kese for be rush sa de niema. One But then at the end no ono anaso on nam ho and I just near man anaso the ban nkrofo no nya corrupt anaso you what the bar anaso no kwaro no so start go a step further say won tiasia for me court to ono so start to me there. But say what be this says anaso the discovery be ba about will be na nipa ne nyina yin say nipa we corrupt no the bar the way anka first nipa be je dia to ho anamo no say nipa o de pa ma anaso nko asori nko ye undercover hu say asofofo no ene nkrofo yere nipa nche da nye ni biem because he has been discredited in the system. But still, on the more they say, Obia achieve away. And to the tennis, the evidence no what. Because time we are not honorable bar, NDC Muniama, a California, one can not take action by this time can he pay a good prison. No, and by this time, so get Obia Bisru. Go be a Bisru, the Madonna, yet pure, go be a Bisru. Obi abesuro because if you are obisa from nowhere nipa no ya no anya information from nowhere nipa no ya no anya information or do near yi and go because some of one say me fan think abedu ko bi die ka ya pass judgment ya speed up niema obi nim die ka o ka some of one aka nyina akom ko de o kom besuro for mu nyina besuro but as stands now is say ayo nyina ya hu anya no aza nipa na eba na honorable wa be mo feel say we boss we ya men ko kan akofo do asem kura biem na say o de ma ba abontina be say me kura de dia nkura de me ko ma me ko kan akofo do asem me ko kan biem ma no ha me do honorable me to cho no ma no ha me ko kan akofo do asem kura ye de nipa ni nya ni freedom onya ni freedom nya ni e mo be no anda. The good news and never when you know, so can be inspire. I'm just putting it that way. Inspire confidence. Obi ni mu osio obe kan say ya be nko be bia and beef here many obofo beef bi. We kura me san found their trend. Just an e moka. Me found their trend. We otwa du. That's how more terms be am use. O piedu me piedu o yese me yese ni nyina e be trend because just imagine Ebola yi ba ye ise na issue bia ntumi mba mu Ebola na dey we beef we ba ye no but say Ghana ho no divided attention about by this time can back na me kasa about says the cases in Ghana increasing from 53 to 68. I be an bettina na make kasa se ebia use hand sanitizer and ya get be nipa ba ko bi one ka be 23 come save situation ba ko ba dia we ya cost ni yi se ba and as say wa koto fi ama watara wa yesi ni yi just what say one call be a friend at threaten so on be yen bibi obi nim na this boys neighbor or be show omo nyina near you know to me the mestre honorable information there he has the information sorry coronavirus me say Ebola he has the information but then how or use information you know and na what I say me ya hu say at a certain point no be all powerful. Very all powerful because men find some me tears all me information na e bia me ma hu bibi about honorable na bia enye na say me ka kire wa one find information na ma bonten na o de bia o de pia me bo asem kura ba me hwe hokura ti dia open na so ba ye dia open na so ba ye Timeti ma hwe o nie bia o nie ma wo ye menim sa atia o na wo ye die but me ye din sa because me koboso say igbo ma wu dia no as ma ye din na me so many na musa and it doesn't help this are nas pra onko ye bibia kura biem na ne ho asema ba then on na mo no living a life opa ke bi so anka secrets the information wo ho na ground and na court na chain no odamu a o ka so obi wo na position ono so ye niam o nyina nsuru ba tana social media ba ne se ye de ya bia ne ye koya na se ba yeah, I know we actually some of us love what is going on. Then say when a bar, there's a beef now, but tomorrow this one Pamela dey buy. Major they say by this time, you so Angel so share be on also and then improve for your meeting. They say what just Pamela and your to diamond. You go chill we say. Na we okay. You see the far always me the far. You friend Pamela. Ni anchaza Pamela ede na sa video ne kwa abontene sa asem na ede ne kwa abontene oh bishop e kra de man na down for me e ka asem di agro keke o ena sesi eni wa kana sa di amate ya record voice na because they say nyina audio nyina bobo me say o ya ma audio bi kra kasa kra you can't trust in him na okay kan because akaze for wo mu amu bi to once enyumre ya men enya ya enyumre na china no pa akese for ba reply am akese for so dia beto abontere obi na busa me say court so don't you think obi ni mo go to jail say I see ya na question me say na me chira was the SC no you say when we remind ourselves of the past we compare to the present and know what will happen in future. Under similar situations, na action ben na ya na nipa no ateki. Similar situations where action ben ya na nipa na ateki. And now what me general so the draw conclusion. When we remind ourselves of the past, we compare it to the present and know what will happen in future. Tie bianca ya na nipa be 5 senior the ba say no the omokwa. Then I can come and sit here and vehemently conclude that this man will also follow suit. As it's happening, as it stands now, as it's happening now, I can't conclude on anything because there's no evidence in that regard. Yeah, one of the trust I see will be him as just fake. You see that tenants and a match on say. Go deep on our corner sort you should be in a better position to know. Ya na yakasa aban ne bebo de wuro ye boy ye wonkofo obet ma ba be di adanse me kwa soro hono oye no moton ma me na anya hwe ni yi ti wo so te wa say wo so take lessons free side ni obi ni mu obofo beef ye course nsem apiepie bi ni bas eye kwa na afi na soro eye ma and just like obegina ho kan ye no our lawyers e wo na soro o si MPs nyina ba ho na mon kan ko for make omo ye emra no and you see some of these things no individual grounds well but immediately issues of the law no nipa ne be violate no be bamu then we can use that to serve as an example to deter the rest from that kind of behavior. Tinyame buana bia honorable konya yesere na so onye because ye na enenam there we are just blind no ene enenam we are the enyim dey see behind after tell is that e see echire no eno na say na me tia me hwe one blogger bia no so chese sa root abaya bi na friend root no kran komo bia kokọ echire ni other bloggers ni ho ti we nyina ye niema behind the scene no e koso a ye na ye front desk no o de koso echire no ti anybody are blind. Just imagine, say, bebre na I pass a judgment here, just the front table. Well, to be this honorable, not be say bad. Then one intervention I'll be making can save a whole lot of situations. One intervention I'll be making can save a whole lot. God na me tie that the bloggers ni bi omo din komo se niema bi ekoso behind the scene ni niema sikasem ni niema o tie we nyina na o the front scene ni mo tumi se wo chini di aye fi. How will you know? It takes nipa omo ye patriotic they are willing se kuro no be see. Alenta na anas na niema na no wo ye no me ni anas. And the tennis, I don't expect Anas to say he should be perfect before he will be doing what he's doing. ɔyɛ nipa ɛno nti na caption no crack in Japan to buy say who watches the watchman. You understand? They are very easy. But then who watches the watchman? It doesn't mean that the watchman should not do his job. Do you understand? So be an armed robber and just no or koda a man into the because honestly a victim in tea. Or also your idea or yes, I humanity won't be any point to no be a Maria. No. I'm robber, but also a build if you're the point to one. To be an robber and just say, or I'm robber ninety, say, crown for bunny fear be Rihanna. No, who's a crown for bunny fear, I won't go police station call report. No. So I also call police station call report. To a call report here near Chisa crown for no baby now. No, also call Bokron, no, be so very report, and I ain't can say be a report to be the end. No, or also a Korea near China, or Korea near reporting. I also have a channel. And this Anna at here. The Annas and the Anna no year you woman. Oh, may say now will be by say, Anna say no, the corner Chianasa. I bear me there, no crime Magana, and you see, I never Magana, no, I bear baby and nipple. When you say na say ye no ho. Nyema na no ye no. Just sa nyema no. Sa na watwi ni mu na o ebi an fan say na watwi we mu. Say or the kakraba no twɛn say 2 weeks and 1 month already or the full video ni beba. Sa aboso me ni nyina mu nipa offices bebre obi ani ho ye corrupt wo. Sa week ni keke obi ani ho a okɔ adwuma bi obi ye na adwuma fenchem. So okɔ so okɔ ye bribe kro obi anye. But after 1 month, no, na system na sabe neutralize it. Because longitude na yibia ni ho. Time a nurse year or the kosinya ntechi na jabu so many nyina mu ba bia be fa bi organ obi ye na adwuma. Na je say revenue aban nya be bia kosoro. Ti now kasa nurse na nkese mu so na ne ho asema ba ne ya pick ya na say de ono ama ya pick microphone no ya pick na Kaka se Ghana, kayan corruption ya ye ho de Kenya yi. Ndi esre se senior ehun ye mobona nyema bi se no. Ya wo intervene e mai. Because say obi ni mo no be capitalize on this position. Ono ya dia na failed no. Obi ni mo no mo failed no. Ono mo bifi wo system ni mo sa. To ono say oya no so be ye, oya no be ye. And I see, yes, it gives them the grounds because I quite sort of na ko gina members in anim. No actually was say oh nyame na ya som nipa be ko ene ye be ko ne saa na oh to give the ground because no legal action be anti me twen at least say affair na fold it is a legalities between Bamudia then we can but I expected say it shouldn't rather take this approach ka evidence ni wo no for the legal grounds and I bedu ko bi mo de na yes o me de a che na ne yi na ka eni senka eno so e banesa once a nipa na fall foul on de en fa nko me the live video no e be si wa say and the issues ne ba ya ha me de no a me ye no wa ne say me de be ba abeto onim say oh ne ya issue ne ya the lessons e betimi a pick here free ageni that is the most important thing. Because videos are master teacher, and you're not never ended. I'm for video, you are, Madame.